Hey guys, welcome to the second part of the 16th lesson. We hope you are excited. In today's video, we will continue the previous lesson which was based on Taal Tibra. It consists of 7 matra. The breakup is 3/2/2. These lessons are very important to train your fingers for faster movement. Therefore, practice wisely. If you have not seen the first part of this lesson, then kindly see that and then proceed with this part. In this video, we will play Vilambit, Madhya and Dhrut Lay together. And if you have not practiced Vilambit Lay and Madhya Lay in the previous lesson, then it will be difficult to keep up with this session. But before we proceed, if you are new to this channel and like the content we post, then go and hit the subscribe button and hit the bell icon so that you will not miss any updates when we upload a new video. Let's get started. In today's video, the tempo will be same for all the lays. The pitch will be B2. We will teach you how to play the alankar at once without stopping. We hope you remember the alankar from the previous lesson. Now, let's begin. Well, that was Vilambit, Madhya and Dhrutlay playing at once. With this, today's 16th lesson ends here. We hope you have learned a new thing. If you have any queries, then feel free to contact us. You will find the contact details down in the description. Don't forget to drop a like to the video and share it with your family and friends. Tune in with us in the next episode with the 17th lesson of the Harmonium tutorial. To be notified when we upload the next video, go and hit the subscribe button and push the bell icon. You will get the notification as soon as we upload the next video. You can follow us over Facebook and Instagram for more updates. Links are in the description. Thanks for watching and we'll see you in the next video.